Legacy Maker, the All Sports Network.
Hello, everyone. It's Darrell Owens, Legacy Maker Sports News Update. And this is the Legacy Maker Sports News Update, our top highlights for June the 4th, 2022. And we start this one off down in Chapel Hill as the VCU Rams would take on the North Carolina Tar Heels in this regional matchup as we head towards the College World Series. We take you to the bottom of the second, and Connor Hazak, who has been on fire for this VCU team, puts it over the wall to give the VCU Rams a 1-0 lead in the bottom of the second. We jump to the bottom of the seventh, and we've got Cooper Benson, who slaps one down the third base line with two runners on. Two runners would come in and score for the Rams. It's a 3-0 contest, and VCU is in control. We skip to the bottom of the eighth, and Connor Hazak says, you know what? It is time to put this one away. Another solo shot, and this is a 4-1 VCU game. The VCU Rams would go on and win this one and advance to the regional finals as they will take on the winner of Georgia and North Carolina. Connor Hazak would finish the day off going 2 for 4 with 2 home runs and 2 RBIs. UNC's Danny Serretti went 2 for 5 with 2 RBIs. VCU will take on the winner of Georgia and North Carolina today at 6 p.m. in the regional finals. Will VCU make it 18 straight victories tonight at 6 p.m.? We'll have to wait till then to find out. Now we take you to Edmonton for Game 3 of the Western Conference Finals of the Stanley Cup playoffs. And Edmonton has control, and Connor McDavid puts it in early in the first period. Only 38 seconds in, and Edmonton has a 1-0 lead. 3 minutes and 52 seconds left in the first period, and Valeri Nichushkin will put it in, and this is a tied game at 1 apiece. That wouldn't be all from Nichushkin. In the second, 15 minutes and 27 seconds, the Avs setting up. Nichushkin puts it in again, and this is a 2-1 game, and the Colorado Avalanche have the lead. In the third period, Colorado 2-1, and Ryan McLeod puts it in. And Edmonton has tied this game up at 2 apiece. And just like that, the Oilers fans, the faithful, are energetic. They know they've got a chance to make this a 2-1 series. 7 minutes and 28 seconds left in the third period. A shot by the Oilers. It doesn't go. And off the line change, it's JT Compher. Compher looking to give the Avalanche the lead. It slips past Smith, and the goal is good. And Colorado's up 3-2. With 7 minutes and some change left. Less than a minute, and the Oilers with an empty net. You got Mikko Rantanen, and he will put it away as he scores the goal, and the Avalanche will win this one 4-2 to take a 3-0 lead in the Western Conference Finals. The Avalanche are 1 win away from getting back to the Stanley Cup for the first time since 2001. Valeri Nichushkin had 2 goals for the Avalanche in this contest. Young star Connor McDavid would also get a goal for the Oilers in this one. But the Avalanche 1 win away from the Stanley Cup Finals. They have an opportunity to take care of business on Monday in Edmonton. I'm Darrell Owens, Legacy Maker Sports Network. This has been the Legacy Maker Sports News Update for June the 4th, 2022. We'll see you all next time.